Assalamualaikum. Today I will make a shrimp biryani. I have a rice, fresh shrimp, and I'm already frying my 3 medium-sized chopped onion. And then I keep it in the bowl to use it for later. And now I will boil the water. I will add 1 tablespoon of salt and also 1 tablespoon of canola oil. And I will let it boil for like 10 minutes. That one for our rice later on. And now I will season my shrimp, prawn, or rubian. This. Yan ang tawag dito, rubian, kadalasan kasi nasa Arab na lugar, rubian. And I didn't put it too much spicy, chili. What I mean is chili. I just add little chili because we like here medium, this one, medium pil-pil. And I'm going to mix it well together with the masala. Later on, we're going to fry it. And now, my water is already boiling. The rice, I soak it for about 30 minutes so that we can cook it easily, like 10 minutes after boiling the water with the rice. And I cook it for 90% of the rice to be cooked. And now, I'm going to put oil in a frying pan so that I can fry our masala together with our rubian, our shrimps. And this is our masala need to be fried with cinnamon sticks. I'm frying the shrimps by batch. Kasi pag sinabay mo kasi siya ng prito, nagkakos siya ng maraming tubig. It will make too much water, so we don't have the biryani. It will become with sabaw, soup. So we'll fry it by batch. I cook it for like and for those still not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Thank you so much. Pag nakasubscribe ka na sa channel ko, makaka-receive ka ng notification sa bago kong mga video na uploads. Tapos ngayon, now I will put this one, fried shrimp in the bowl. And we'll keep it aside for later, and we'll fry the next one. The smell is so tasty, so delicious. Good mood, good food. Yan. Now this is our second batch of the shrimp. I cooked 1.5 kg of fresh shrimp. And now our rice is almost done. So delicious. Shrimp biryani. Now I add my this one, masala with the garlic paste and yogurt. But the yogurt, you must remove the water on it. If you have this one, like clean cloth, drain the water of the yogurt so that when you make it fry, it's not making it this one, nothing water. It will nothing water to come out. Para tuyo siya. And add 1 vegetable cubes, 1 piece only, to add the taste and the delicious, yummy biryani prawn. Now I'm adding also little amount of biryani masala. And now we'll put I'm going to add the shrimp. See how delicious is it. Napakasarap niya talaga. Paborito ito ng alaga ko. Actually kami lahat kami dito sa bahay. Kaya I love to share my recipe, and I hope you like it. So delicious. Now I drain my rice and keep in the pot. I just add little oil down and then add little amount of rice. So yummy, and so the smell is so amazing. The aroma is so delicious. Yun na masarap talaga siya as in. Now I put all my Robian shrimp biryani o kaya biryani shrimp. This is so delicious. If you try to cook this one in your house, you don't have to order food from outside. You will cook it for yourself and for your family and your friends. Simple lunch, dinner, and delicious. Now I'm going to put the toppings: coriander, mint, and fried onion. And I will add also little amount of vegetable ghee. Delicious biryani and tasty. And I have to cook it for 10 minutes and it's ready. Now our biryani shrimp is so delicious and nice smell. It's already ready. And for those still not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Thank you. Now I'm going to put that one in a big plate, serving plate. Ito na ang outcome ng ating biryani biryani shrimp. So delicious. The aroma is so amazing. Allah. Try it in your home. Now it's ready. Ito na siya mga kakusina. So delicious. And the shrimp is still crunchy.